Let's take a look at the Boolean AND operator in Python. I have two variables here, x equal to 5, y equal to 10, and in each of the if-else statements down below, I'm going to ask two questions, each one of which is either true or false, and we are going to see what is the result of combining the two questions using the AND operator. In the first example, is x less than 5? The answer is false. Is y less than 10? The answer is false. Both are false. False and false combined together using the AND operator give you a false value. So word should get printed over here. In the second if else statement, is x greater than or equal to 5? That's a true statement. Is y greater than 10? That's a false statement. True and false also give you false, and that's why word should get printed. Is x equal to 5 and is y less than 15? In this case, both are true statements. X is indeed equal to 5 and y is indeed less than 15. So true and true, both true together combine using the AND operator, make it a true statement. So hello should get printed. So we had a world hello, and then let's look at the fourth combination. There's only four combinations possible here. X is 5, so is x greater than 7? That's a false statement. And is y equal to 10? You bet it is. So we have a false and true, and in that case also the whole statement becomes false and word should get printed. Easiest way to remember this is anytime you have these conditionals combined using the AND operator, the whole statement is true only if each and every one of them is true. That's one way to remember it. Or you can remember it another way, the whole statement is false if any one of them individual questions, if any one of those individual questions is false. Let's run this. And as you can see, we got world hello, and which is what we had expected. In the first one, it was false and false. Over here in the second one, it was true and false, then true and true, and then false and true in the last one. And as you can see, we got world hello followed by world. Thank you very much for your time.